We are on the record in 2024 TR 617. Sir, you may need to scoot over a little bit to be picked up by that microphone. I'm not sure, but sometimes you have to be in the middle with it. Mary Ann Shirley appears for the state. Are you Abel Estrada Jr., sir?
Yes, if I may, can I make a statement?
Right from the jump, Abel Estrada isn't just another traffic case. He's opening with a constitutional challenge. Notice how he says his rights are being trampled over. This is classic sovereign citizen rhetoric. Start by attacking the court's legitimacy before any facts come out.
No, not yet. Okay, sir, you are charged in count 1 with on or about the 21st day of August, 2024 in Greenwood County, state of Kansas. Then and there, contrary to the statutes of the state of Kansas, unlawfully operating a vehicle, to wit, a 2011 GMC Acadia, upon a highway which does not have the signed license plate. I think they mean that the vehicle didn't, not the highway, but your vehicle did not have the assigned license plate properly affixed to the rear of the vehicle, showing the current registered year. This is an unclassified misdemeanor, is punishable by up to $2,500 in fines and a possible sentence of up to 6 months, 30 days minimum, up to 6 months, although probation is usually granted. Now, sir, did I not just have you in municipal court recently on the same charge?
Yes, and I don't understand why am I seen again, because that would be double jeopardy. I'm saying for the same.
Sir, you haven't been tried on it. You
I have
had a first appearance on it, and apparently the city prosecutor must have dismissed it and refiled it over here for whatever reason, I know not. But as I recall, your plea was not guilty. Is that still your plea?
Yes, but I'm here to make a separation between my name. My name is Abel Estrada with low caps. This name on the top, I don't know if you can see it. This name on the top is my straw man. I am the man, and this is the straw man. So if you're calling the straw man, I'm here to represent the straw man, but I'm Abel Estrada Jr., the man, the living.
This part is where Abel fully dives into the living man versus straw man argument. If you've ever seen sovereign citizen videos, you know this playbook, separating the legal name from the flesh and blood person. Judges hear this a lot, but it almost never works in real court because statutes apply to the driver, not to an invented legal entity.
Appointed.
I cannot afford an attorney, but I need to make my statement that
let me get a few things worked out, sir. You're going to apply for an attorney, so you'll need to fill out an application for court-appointed attorney, and the deputy down there can give that to you. Make sure you fill that out and get that back to me before this hearing is over. Make sure you fill in all the blanks and you sign it and you date it where it says to. Consider those if they're not thoroughly completed. And then you call back to my assistant, Missy, later in the week to see if one is appointed and who that will be. Do you need Missy's number, or did you take it down earlier from the other hearings?
no, I don't have.
All right. Missy, do you want to give him your number?
583-8155.
And then Missy, when is his next court date?
Well, I haven't explained my position.
Sir, we're not going to have a trial today. You're going to need to talk to your attorney before you have a trial. So, Missy, when is his trial date?
I wanted to move.
Sir, please do not interrupt. Missy, when is his, and we won't set it directly for, do you want to set it directly for trial, or do you want to set it for a status so I can check?
Watch how the judge stays calm and procedural. Instead of debating Abel's theories, she focuses on basics. Do you have a lawyer or not? This is smart judicial strategy. If she took the bait and argued law, it would spiral. By focusing on process, she keeps the case on track.
I haven't given a chance to
You do not need a bond, and you have your court dates. Now, what is it, sir, you want to say?
Number one, I want to move to a motion to dismiss this case because I've been tried for this and I have the license plates, both license plates. I was not driving anything unlawful or illegal. I'm living in the private. I'm driving in the private. And so I want to move for dismissal with extreme prejudice. And also, I want to make sure that you understand that I want to keep all my constitutional rights. So far, my constitutional rights are being trampled over right now by yourself because you're not giving the chance to speak. I have not given the chance to speak. You're just going over and over. And I'm requesting that you remove this case because this is double jeopardy. I already appeared in court for this. I have not been given the opportunity to explain myself. I want to keep my rights, and I haven't been able to keep my rights. You yourself and the lady on the other side signed a oath of office to uphold the Constitution of the United States, and I'm not being given those rights right now, man. I respectfully request that you honor my right. I want to move for a complete dismissal.
Now Abel's frustration peaks. He motions to dismiss for double jeopardy and claims private travel rights. To him, this is a civil rights fight. But in reality, the city prosecutor dismissed the municipal charge and refiled it at the county level. That's not double jeopardy because no trial happened yet.
Thank you. Being dragged down so much, and I have a hard time moving around. As you can see, I'm disabled, and I only come here once a week to the hospital to be treated. And all this court is putting a lot of stress, and I'm not able to heal properly. Why are we dragging it out so much, ma'am?
When did you get this disability? I don't remember you being unable to walk the last time I saw you.
I came in my bike is right here. I have it right here. I don't know if you can see it. But I normally use a walker in a wheelchair, but I'm using the other one because it's easier to carry in the car. It's what's it called? It's knee school. I have 2 amputations on my feet. So ambulation is very difficult. I'm having a lot of pain. In fact, I'm under medication right now. I don't have a clear mind.
That's why you need to call back here. You don't have to come in person. Call back here.
This section suddenly turns emotional. Abel explains he's disabled, on pain meds, and overwhelmed by repeated court dates. This is where viewers might feel empathy. Regardless of his legal arguments, he's clearly struggling with health and stress.
You're always welcome to come down there to the courthouse like you're doing now, but you don't have to as long as you can communicate by Zoom. And remind me, what town do you live in, sir? Are you from Kansas?
Yes, I'm in Howard. But even last night, when I got the letter from the sheriff, they brought it to me at 5 o'clock last night. I didn't even know. So it wasn't improperly served. I got it like literally last night. I'm trying to get paperwork come in, and I don't have the time. I don't have the ability to move that fast. And so
you were just complaining a moment ago that this case wasn't moving fast enough, that we were dragging it out. So there you go. Moving too fast, you say.
Yes, but it's dragging on because it should be dismissed because I already.
I'll take that up at a future hearing. I'm going to need to let you go, sir, because I have others to address today, but I will certainly listen to any motions that you file. Put your motions in writing. If you have an attorney, let your attorney do it. Someone told me you've already filed some things in the court or tried to. Is that right?
I did, ma'am.
Notice how the judge ends the hearing. She gives him a Zoom option, acknowledges his disability, and leaves the door open for written motions. It's a quiet but firm way to close a chaotic exchange. Procedure wins over conspiracy theory again.